Hello everyone, welcome to FixZone. Today we will be discussing how to search for a specific value across all Excel files within a folder using just Excel itself. No fancy coding or add-ins needed. Have you ever had a situation where you know a piece of data exists somewhere in a bunch of spreadsheets, but you just can't remember which file it's in? It's incredibly frustrating, right? Well, today I'm going to show you a simple yet effective method to locate that elusive information without manually opening and searching each file. Before we dive in, if you find this tutorial helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe to FixZone for more Excel tips and tricks. Your support really helps us create more content like this. Okay, so what are we going to cover exactly? First, we'll set up a basic example folder with some dummy Excel files. Then, I'll guide you through creating a master spreadsheet with a macro that will loop through all the Excel files in your specified folder. This macro will open each file, search for your target value, and then report back the file name and sheet name where the value was found. Finally, we'll test it out and discuss some potential limitations and troubleshooting tips. So, let's jump right into it. First things first, let's create a folder. Continue with explanation and step-by-step instructions, including showing the code on screen and explaining what each part does. Near the end of the video, after demonstrating the macro working. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to search for a value across multiple Excel files within a folder. Remember to adjust the file path and the search value in the code to match your specific needs. Now, if you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to FixZone for more Excel tips and tricks. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you want to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching.